The DIAdem VIEW panel allows you to visually inspect and graphically analyze data loaded into the data portal. Channel tables allow you to see the contents of channel individual values in tabular format. The 2D axis system enables inspection of plotted channel data. The layout in View is flexible, allowing you to view a channel table in one section and one or more 2D axis system plots in another. Other types of interactive visualization tools are available, including Bode, Polar, Orbit, Shaft Centerline, Bird's Eye View, Contour, Cascade, Map, Graphic, Video, and Text Box, depending on the type of channel you have. If video was recorded simultaneously with data, you can use View to interactively inspect the data and visually see the video content at that point in time. Videos and data are synchronized using the data time channel and the time reference data in the video. To get a quick visual overview of the capabilities of the DIAdem View panel, load the DIAdem example view layout file, viewexample.tdv. The View toolbar is always visible when the View panel is selected, along with the group bar where you can select worksheet partitions. The 2D axis toolbar is only visible when a 2D axis system or other area type is assigned to a worksheet area.